Good morning, humans! It's 11 o'clock.
There's joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, trying different lipstick.
But I'm still up before noon. That's good. I woke up this morning at 8 o'clock to this downpouring rainstorm. It sounded so lovely. I was like, oh, let's go back to sleep to enjoy this rain. To keep you calm and relaxed. Yeah. Nothing planned today, as usual, except maybe going to the store. Maybe. And my normal things, but I really gotta eat because I haven't yet, and that's not good. And I figured I should probably talk to the few viewers I have before I get into this fanfiction anymore, which I don't know how many chapters there are, but I'm like absorbed. I should really finish the stories that are only like 1 chapters, but no, I'm going with this multi-chapter fic. Yeah, my logic, I have none. I have no logic. It just cracked my neck, which kind of felt good. We went to Walmart and I bought things and didn't take you guys out. One of the things that I bought was this new nail polish color called Queen of Hearts. I don't have burgundy, I don't think, and if I do, I don't like it. Like, I think it might be one of those scented nail polishes, and I don't really like it. But this is supposed to be a color plus base color stay gel envy, but like because it's a dark color and I know dark colors like to stain my nails, I threw this color stay gel shine top coat on, and not because it already has a base in it. I didn't want to throw this back on it. So I have that on. I'm waiting for that to dry, and then I'm going to put this on and see how it looks on my nails. Since they're long, I can do darker colors. This one here is still a little short, but it'll grow. It'll grow. I know it will. Also, I bought some like wall decals. I just gotta find where I want to place them and where I want to put which ones where. Yeah. This morning it was storming. I don't know if I told you this. Like, I woke up to it raining on the ceiling. It sounded like we were at the bottom of a waterfall. It was raining that intensely. But I just heard thunder. I think it was going to start raining again. So we got back from Walmart. I had a good time. What else did I buy? I bought the Divergent collection of all Four's thoughts for certain books. I bought another thing of duct tape. It's like Cosmos stars and stuff, and I bought 2 packs with different colors of this bamboo cord because it felt really soft and kind of reminded me of my ankle bracelet, my friendship bracelet. Well, the beads make it friendship bracelet from the beach, and I was like, oh man, I want to like make some of those out of this stuff, and I think it'd be really cool. I bought 2 different colors. So that's going to be a project. I don't know what else did I buy besides food. I bought food. Yeah. And my wall decals, which I'll show them to you when I get them up, when I decide where I'm going to put them. I haven't decided yet. Maybe. No, maybe there. I don't know. Yeah. I'm going to watch some YouTube videos though. It's 2:30. Where's the day gone? I know I slept part of it, but seriously, where has the day gone? Do you guys know? I have no clue. No fucking clue at all. We're under the waterfall again. I love that sound though, like listening to it. I do love that sound. It's very relaxing. So, yeah. It's listen to this waterfall. I'm sure it's probably chaos outside, but in this nice little huddle I'm in, sounds like I'm in a house underneath a waterfall. Wouldn't that be kind of cool to have a waterfall? Probably not, because you'd have to find a way to get out of underneath the waterfall. Did not think that went through. Not as nice as I thought it was gonna be. Not a good idea, not a good idea at all. Oh, I thought it was gonna be the end of the world today because fanfiction.net went down and I couldn't get my stories for 2 hours. And my mom took me to Dairy Queen to get a banana milkshake, which actually had banana pieces in it. It's really weird consistency. But I just realized I need to go pee because I haven't done that in several hours, and I think my bladder's telling me you need to pee. I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna go out to the living room and watch Rizzoli and Isles with my laptop, and maybe craft a bracelet with this bamboo cord. These are the colors I have. I need to get the scissors out of my bag over there to cut this string so I can make these bracelets as things. Yeah, so well, maybe I'll do more than those 3 colors. Maybe like 4 colors. Throw in the green there to make it more vibrant. We shall see what I am not capable of. A lot of things. Where was I doing? Oh. That's not. Oh, wait, whoa. Go back. I'm not getting messages. Oops. guys are gonna die. And it's nearly 1. I'm so not getting up early tomorrow morning. Oh, I had a very busy day. Yeah. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you had a good day. I had a good day. And that's all that matters, right? Night.